What's up, guys? My first vlog, so bear with me here with the awkwardness. It's been like, I don't know, a year since I've been on camera, but I'm gonna show you guys my Nitrous setup and my NA6 that I recently put together. So here we go. We got a Nitrous Express Proton solenoid box. Got your fuel and nitrous inlet. I ran it from under the chassis, from the trunk. The bottle mounts in the trunk. Tap in for fuel there. Goes into the box, goes out into the nozzles right there. And I want to redo this. This is a little too close to the throttle body. I'm gonna put it probably back here, just for better atomization. Anyway, this is my NA6. Slowly just been a little weekend warrior. Drift it pretty much once a month. Drive it to the track, drive it back. Pretty simple setup. MST, time attack, TE reps. Fucking got the car for under $1,000, so I wasn't gonna spend over $1,000 on wheels yet. LRB door panels, and if we go in here, we got our Nitrous Express window switch. We can turn that on, and this allows us to control when the nitrous comes on, basically. I have it coming on at 3,100 RPM and coming off at a nice 6,900. Wide open throttle. My key is not in, that doesn't matter, but yeah, basically it just detects your TPS voltage and the car's RPM. You tap in for the RPM signal in your little diagnostics box up there. But yeah, this got the purge. The purge valve's acting a little lazy, it's weird, but it works. So yeah, that's that. And then the bottle mounts in the trunk right there. The bottle's in the freezer because I gotta go fill it back up because I used all my nitrous. Yesterday I went through 4 pounds, and it's a 5-pound bottle, and pretty much once you get down to about 1.5 pounds in a bottle like that, and your pressure in the bottle goes down to the point to where you're not getting nitrous at the same rate, so it's not worth spraying, so you got to refill it. So I went through almost 5 pounds yesterday. It was really fun, just a little 35 shot, just flooring it everywhere. The longer you stay in the pedal 100%, the longer it's gonna spray, and I was in 5th gear just wide open trying to top the car out. So that's my car. It's a piece of shit, but it works, and it scoots. So if you ever want to do something like this, just get you a cheap nitrous kit, find someone that's selling it for a crackhead price, and fucking throw it on your car. It's really easy. The only shitty thing is the wiring, and I really am not good at wiring, but you got like this wire that goes to your, like I said, diagnostics box. Goes into your IG port, which is for RPM signal, and then I had to run that green wire back there, up, down, tap it into this TPS for TPS signal, and that's about the only wiring I had to do that wasn't that tapped into the factory stuff. So besides the 12 volt for the switch, which I put, for that stuff, I put that in the footwell. I got some of those fuse circuit taps. Those work great. If you guys ever need a 12 volt source, it just connects with the butt. Use a heat shrink wire connector and tape it up. That's about all I got. Just simple overview of my Nitrous Miata. Have a great day.